You know how there's some trends that you like to follow, and there's other trends that are kind of like, I really was avoiding this one, but then a coworker really wanted me to make some of these for him, so here it is. We're done. You know how that is? Yep, that's her. The hot Tuah girl. Oh, it goes on a spray bottle and then spit on that thing. If you really want to print the funny hot Tuah Windex spray bottle head, I found it on makerworld.com. If you really want to print this, that's where you find it. And it's made by S Sweet